Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE2, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Firstly, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in Magic Fluids. Following that, you need to install this free app from this developer and open it. Then click on those three lines at the bottom right corner and select Settings. Now tap on I accept and adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you want to. When you're ready, click on the top right corner and the bottom one again. This time you need to select Set as Live Wallpaper, choose Apply and select Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen. Now when I click Home button, as you can see my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!